Fiesta Filipinas, an online celebration of Philippine festivals.
The Viajeros from
yeah.
Netherlands are also
Really?
making
Yeah,
their own.
yeah, absolutely.
Perfect. Visitas? All right, here we go.
Welcome to the Fiesta Filipinas Auditory experience. We hope you have your headphones and headdress on to fully enjoy this experience. Every January, 3 different festivals in the Philippines celebrate the Santo Niño, or Holy Child. The Sinulog in Cebu, the Ati-Atihan Dinagyang and the Dinagyang in Iloilo. Despite religious origins, the festivals have evolved into inclusive celebrations, open to everyone. And today, we're taking you there.
Magandang hapon sa inyo ulit mga viewers. At ito na naman tayo sa Channel 11 News.
Close your eyes.
Yes, you guessed it right.
You're on a soft, king-sized bed inside a nice, quiet hotel room. You've just opened a pack of Philippine dried mangoes. The locals say these are the sweetest in the world. You take a bite. It's something new. Its texture reminds you of chewy taffy, but with a fruitier, sweeter, more tart flavor. This place seems nice and quiet. Wait, what's that? Go to the window and take a peek. There's a group. No, a horde of people wearing the same type of elaborate costume and headdress. Their faces and bodies are painted, and they're dancing to the beat of the music. It looks like a street parade.
Hala Bira! It's the parade. Let's go!
You barely noticed your Filipino friend arrive. He's taken you from your room and plunged you straight into the parade. You're right at the heart of it. And within seconds, you become part of it. The drum beats, the chants, the colors, the vibrations, the dancers, the crowd. You find yourself dancing along happily. You look at your friend who is also dancing with you. You don't speak the language, but somehow you understand him. Today, you're not just a tourist. You're a welcome bisita at the Dinagyang Festival in Iloilo, Philippines.
Hala Bira, Iloilo, sulong sa pagbato. Hala Bira, Iloilo, matahong lumanwak mo. Hala Bira, Iloilo, ipakukal na ngalan mo. Sa tanang panahon, ikaw ang palangkaon.
And everyone is waiting for you to scream.
Hala Bira!
the parade has gone further. But you're still on a high. You can't wait to come back next year, but nothing beats the first time. Then again, it might be even better. See you here, for real, next time?
Sometime soon.
This one we've got a whole bunch, but we're calling on Russell and everyone else. Russell, why don't you introduce everyone there to us? Go ahead. Okay, what's the name of the little one?
Oh, his name is Gabriel.
Hi, Gabriel. Gabriel, I saw you earlier on. You had your earphones on as well. He was listening in too, right? To the auditory experience. Okay, why don't all three of you share what was your favorite part so far here in our Fiesta Filipinas? Was it the food, the snack that Gabriel is holding right now? Or was it the auditory experience, or even making the headdress? Which one is it?
Yeah. Well, actually, we love everything. We love the unboxing the kit. We love the presentation of Cebu, and also the food, and also the making of this, and especially the auditory experience. Yes.
Right. Have you actually had a chance to attend any of these festivals in person?
Well, actually, I experienced the Ati-Atihan.
Nice.
Perfect.
Yeah.
There's nothing like being
Why don't
there.
you quickly share to us, how was that? The real deal Ati-Atihan, so that all the other bisitas can hear about it.
Well, the Ati-Atihan, well, the sound is really like the festive and lively, like, because we are from Bacolod City.
Oh, okay.
So
Perfect.
we experienced the
Ooh,
Master Festival.
we've got people
firsthand.
clapping for you here in the studio. as
Homegrown
well, yeah.
originals here.
Yeah.
Okay, well, it's nice that
We
it's nice that
actually-
you're sharing the culture out there in the Netherlands. Please do tell our friends from out there about our festivals,
Wait, I
and,
want to
and
ask
do
something
invite
though.
them over.
Gabriel, are you enjoying your bizcocho before we let you go? Are you enjoying it? Oh, he wants to eat in peace. Okay, okay. Thank you so much, Russell. Okay, now we
Everybody
move on.
smile, and let's try our first one. Let's try
Ati-Atihan.
Hala Bira.
There,
Okay,
say it
Hala
again.
Bira. Okay, Hala Bira means give it your all. So please, let's give it our all. So Hala Bira is the chant that's said during the Ati-Atihan and Dinagyang Festivals, and like I said, give it your all. So let's practice.
Unmute, so that we can all hear
first.
you.
Okay, let's do one practice, all right? 1, 2, 3.
Hala
Hala Bira. Hear you guys. Come on, guys. Let's go. Hala Bira. Please, good It's just one of our stopovers.
Hala Bira.
You from Indonesia.
Senyor. I'm not gonna make it so easy on you guys, okay? Shake your hands a bit, shake, because we're gonna be moving with this one. We're gonna be doing the dance move. It goes, you can do it seated or standing up. Paolo's been practicing all day long.
We're working hard on it.
And when I say Viva, you guys shout Pit Senyor. Let's practice that. I say Viva, you say Pit Senyor, but you raise your hands up with your finger. So I say Viva and you go Pit Senyor. All right? In 3, 2, 1. Viva! Pit Senyor!
Viva
si Senyor! Viva si Senyor! Oh, I like that, Chef. You're waving your hands all the way up. Okay, here we go with the dance now. This is the real deal. Everyone, join up. I'm gonna sit seated for you guys so you can see me in the camera. So here we go. All right. 1 and 2, go. 1 and 2. Other side, 1 and 2. And I say, Viva! Pit Senyor! Last time. This time when you say Pit Senyor, look up to the sky. Because that's how it's really done. And here's the real thing. In 3, 2, 1. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Viva! Pit Senyor! I like the cheers.
Viva Pit Senyor! Viva Pit Senyor!
Citas, I hope you all enjoyed today's festivities. Yes? Yes? Okay, great. Feel free to unmute yourselves as we say goodbye to each other. We can't wait to take you on more virtual fiestas. Please stay safe and take care.
Thank you so much, guys. We hope to see you again in the next episode of Filipinas. Soon, we'll be showing you the cooler side of Filipinas, not just talking about the weather. So for now, let's just say, well, it'll be a bye-bye. The next fiesta, thank you for joining us today. Bye, everybody.
Thank you.
Thank you.
How do we do it, Chal? So it's one over here, it's one over here, and then it's here, and then it's down here.
Hala Bira.
Hi, everyone.
Ilog ng mga ulap, hihipad ng hangin, huli ng mga ibon, naglalakbay sa himpapawid, kay sarap mabuhay, sa ilalim ng nag-iisang mundong makulay. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay raming dahilan, upang magdiwang, tayo ay pinag-isa, ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura. Sayaw, sayaw, sumasayaw ang langit, kay raming dahilan, upang mag-iwang, tayo ay pinag-isa, ng langit, lupa, kalikasan at kultura. Ah,